Hi, I'm Paul. We chose this Wellis hot tub. The tub, I mean, we've been waiting for something like this for a couple of years now. So, yeah, it's perfect. It's everything we've asked for. And the install guides have been fantastic.
My name is Steve. I'm the operations manager for Dream Spas in Cardiff and Bristol, and we've just installed this Venus hot tub from Wellis. As you can see, we're just installing this Wellis Venus hot tub. It's got lots of features which I'd like to show you. It's got the quadruple speakers with the Bluetooth Wi-Fi. It's got 49 jets. Now each jet is specifically positioned for aromatherapy and for the purpose of relieving arthritis and various pains. In fact, it's an absolutely fantastic tub, and it's one that I believe in.